CompTIA A Core 2 Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.1 Summarize various security measures and their purposes. Identity Access Management. Identity Access Management, often referred to as IAM, is a framework of policies, technologies, and processes used to manage digital identities and control access to resources within an organization. It ensures that the right individuals have the appropriate access to systems, applications, and data at the right time. Building on that idea, once identities are established, IAM is responsible for verifying who a user is and determining what they are allowed to access. This includes managing user accounts, authentication methods, and permissions across systems. Whether it is logging into a workstation, accessing a cloud application, or retrieving sensitive data, IAM plays a central role in controlling access throughout an environment. At first glance, IAM can feel very similar to some of the concepts we have already covered, especially Privileged Access Management or PAM. That is because they both deal with controlling access to systems and resources. But this is where the distinction becomes important. IAM focuses on all users and their access across systems, handling identity creation, authentication, and authorization for everyday access. PAM, on the other hand, narrows that focus to accounts with elevated permissions, such as administrators, and adds an additional layer of control over how that high-level access is granted, monitored, and used. In simple terms, IAM determines who can access what, while PAM focuses on how elevated access is controlled and secured. With that distinction in mind, IAM can be thought of as managing the full lifecycle of user access. This begins when a user account is created, continues as permissions are assigned and adjusted based on job roles, and extends through to when access is removed as responsibilities change or when a user leaves the organization. Throughout this process, IAM ensures that access remains appropriate and controlled. As part of this lifecycle, IAM also supports authentication methods such as passwords, biometrics, and multi-factor authentication to verify identity. Once a user is authenticated, IAM applies authorization rules to determine which resources can be accessed, helping ensure that access is both secure and consistent across systems. By bringing identity management and access control together into a single framework, IAM helps organizations ensure that users can access the resources they need while maintaining strong control over security. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.